How to make iPhone vibrate continuously. So whether your iPhone is on silent mode or not, but you want to make your iPhone to vibrate continuously when you have an incoming call, then you need to create your own vibration pattern. So basically here, I'm going to show you how to make iPhone vibrate continuously by creating a continuous vibration pattern on your phone. So if I don't know this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do when you want to make your iPhone vibrate continuously is go ahead and open the settings app. Now, once you open the settings app on your iPhone, scroll down the page until you get to Sounds and Haptics and then click on it. Once you selected Sounds and Haptics, first, you need to enable vibration on your iPhone, which is turning on haptics under ringtone and alert. So go ahead and click on haptics and set this to always play. So if you choose never play, you will see haptics will not play when iPhone rings or receive an alert. If you choose don't play in silent mode, that shows your phone is not going to vibrate on silent mode. But if you want your iPhone to vibrate continuously, just select always play, then hit the bar button. Now come down here and click on ringtone, then select your ringtone. After that, select haptics. Now you need to create a vibration pattern that allows continuous vibration on your iPhone instead of choosing from all these non-continuous vibration on your iPhone. So to do this, just scroll down to custom and click on create new vibration. Now here, you need to create a continuous vibration by tapping on the screen to create a pattern. So just keep doing the same thing to create your continuous vibration on your iPhone. And once you're done, go ahead and click on save. You can just name this continuous vibration. Save. Then come to custom again and make sure you choose continuous vibration here. Then hit the bar button. Then when else you have an incoming call on your iPhone is going to ring and vibrate at the same time, but in this case, the vibration is going to be continuous. So that is basically how to make iPhone vibrate continuously. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.